Hi, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz, business immigration attorney. Thank you so much for tuning in, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to start a business in the US and get a work visa. So this is going to be actually a roadmap, what you need to do if you wanna start a business in the US and at some point you wanna start working in the US. So let's do this. Number one, you need to incorporate. You need to incorporate in a state where you plan to reside, or if you think you will run a national business or maybe international business, then I do recommend to incorporate in a state of Delaware. This is a jurisdiction that most of our clients are choosing because it's very friendly, especially has very friendly business laws, and it's a very flexible jurisdiction in terms of incorporating, in terms of fees and also the taxes. So if you want to run a business that is national, international, or maybe online, choose state Delaware. Obviously, you have other states to choose from as well, but we do recommend a Delaware. Then you need to choose a name. You need to choose a available name of your entity. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to and search for Secretary of State, Corporate Division, and then you will reserve your name. If you find that this name is available, you can use it. If there are other entities that are using this particular name, you cannot use it. Also, make sure to add the name limited liability company. Now we are talking about incorporating LLC in this case. So if you are incorporating LLC, then you need to add either abbreviation LLC or limited liability company. After that, you choose your name, you are ready to file. However, in order to file, you actually need to register with the registered agent. I'm assuming you don't have actually address in the state of Delaware, or maybe in another state where you are incorporating, and for that matter you need to pick an agent. Agent is actually going to deliver the official mail from a government, IRS, and so on. So you need first to order this service. So you're going to find registered agent. There is actually a long list of different kind of registered agents. If you need any help, I'm happy to help you out or suggest a registered agent that we are using. And once you have your registered agent and you pay this registered agent, then you're going to incorporate. What does it mean? You're going to form your entity, you're going to form your LLC, and you're going to form by simply filing articles of incorporation and filing memo in that particular state. Again, if you are going to file in state of Delaware, it's very simple. You're just going to fax it, or if you choose, obviously you can mail it, but we recommend faxing it with applicable fee. Once you do that, it's going to take a couple of days to receive a certificate of incorporation. The moment you receive certificate of incorporation, your company has been formed and is live. All right. Then the next step would be to apply for a PAN number. This is actually a number from IRS that you need if you want to run a business. Okay, it's sort of like Social Security number. Now, the issue is usually with foreigners, if you don't have your own social security number, or if you don't have IT number yet, you need actually help from responsible party. Responsible party is someone who's going to file it for you, and it can be either entity who is having already existing I number, okay, or it's individual who has social security number or IT number in the US. So if you don't have your own social security number, you need a responsible party, and then you can file for your own. Again, if you need any help, I'm here to help you with that. Just let me know. The moment you file for a number, you're going to have your A number. So at that point, what you can do is the next step, which is to go and open a bank account. Now, in order to open a bank account, you need to be present in the US, or you can hire a manager who will open it for you. However, I do recommend to open it on your own. So fly to the US on B visa or ESTA, depending where you're coming from, and open a bank account. And what do you need to in order to open a bank account? You need the whole corporate documentation, such as articles of incorporation, certificate of formation, meeting of minutes, signature pages, stock certificate, and other documents, just like, for example, operating agreement showing the existence of your company as well as AIN. So you need to show all these documents to the bank, and they will open a bank for you. Okay? They can open a bank account for you. You need to have a bank account if you later on want to apply for example, E2 investor visa. Why? Because you need to wire the funds, the investment funds, to the US bank account, and then you're going to be spending this money, using it for establishing your own business. Very important to do it step by step, because if you start spending money from your account in your home country, it's going to be very, very messy, and you might have some difficulties when you're going to be applying for E2 visa. So you want everything to be super crystal clear. Therefore, you need to open an account, wire the money, and then do the rest. All right, so this is the end of this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. And also I want to invite you to my free masterclass, where I will discuss how you can start a business in the US and how you can actually work and live in the US without a green card. So if you want to sign up for the masterclass, below there is a link where you can sign up, and I'll see you in there. Have a wonderful day.